How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. There are people lying to you, manipulating you, leading you down the wrong path with XRP. There's a big piece of FUD recently about XRP coming out saying that Trump basically called it Kamala coin. Let's talk about that because I think there are people trying to manipulate you, trying to manipulate XRP's price. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. If you want to check out the link underneath the video to our Patreon, we're making exclusive videos every couple days in there. I posted about an XRP trade at $2.42. We've ridden it up almost, 200% now. So if you want access to this, we're not going to talk about trading that much, but we do answer a lot of questions. We make videos that aren't put on YouTube, and Joe is leading this with me. Joe has a channel as well. Let me actually just pull it up real quick for you. Joe Crypto Joe is actually what it is. I'm going to leave a link to this underneath the video. You should definitely check him out. I feel like there shouldn't be any XRP army channels that are below 1,000 subscribers. What do you think? He's made a couple XRP videos here. If you want to support him, I'll link to him underneath the video. He's helping me on the Patreon. He's running it with me, and he just started over on YouTube. He's been in the crypto industry for 10 plus years, buying crypto, and also is a big believer in XRP. Also, if you want to trade XRP, there's a link to BTCC underneath the video, and a link to Blofin, WEEX, CoinW. You can trade on these different platforms. I like trading on multiple platforms, and right now everything looks extremely bullish. If you've longed anything, you're probably doing pretty well. As you can see here, we have a lot of positions up between 30 and 740%. This XRP position is just juicy, 740%. So definitely check this out underneath the video as well. Now, Trump making so much noise recently, considering US-based crypto reserves, potentially prioritizing coins like Solana and XRP. There was a hit article that came out saying this is completely false. We'll talk about that in a minute. But today we have the Trump ball, the crypto ball. Apparently, Sui is sponsoring Donald Trump's inauguration. Apparently, Solana is sponsoring Donald Trump's inauguration. Now, it sounds like it's more like they're sponsoring the crypto ball. A lot of these companies have actually donated to the inauguration fund as well. A lot of crypto companies have, but I think they're actually sponsoring the crypto ball here tonight. Wouldn't be surprised if XRP also is sponsoring the ball. We know that recently Donald Trump met with Brad Garlinghouse and with the head of legal there. And actually, the price action on that XRP looks so bullish. I just talked about this in my last XRP video. If you haven't seen it, I won't cover it too much here, but it looks super bullish in terms of price action. I don't know when you're watching this. By the time you're watching this, the price could be down. Who knows? But if you haven't seen that last video, check it out. Now, like I said, there have been some, I'd say, manipulative articles saying that Donald Trump reportedly slammed Ripple for supporting Kamala Harris during the 2024 election, reports Axios. When I need you, where the F were you? You weren't with me, and maybe you were with Kamala Harris. But community note, Axios reporting does not state Ripple names specifically anywhere in the reporting. This is FUD, spreading on XRP with wrong and misleading information. Now, even before this was said, we got this. Stuart Alderati, who is the chief legal officer at Ripple, says, wow, unnamed sources? Here's a named source, me. The rumors published by this third-tier crypto rag are pure fiction, completely made up. I wonder who's behind this. And the post was deleted. Okay, so I hate that kind of stuff. Either manipulation or just lazy reporting, right? Like, get your facts straight before you start publishing information on assets that are worth hundreds of billions of dollars, right? Figure out your stuff. This XRP is now worth more than most companies in the world, more than a lot of major banks. Just double check, right? That's all I ask. But I feel like this is manipulation, right? There could be various reasons for this, but we know XRP has gone up in price very quickly. People want your XRP. People want to manipulate it up and then down and then up and then down. We see this with a lot of assets, right? We see this because this is important right now. Like, it's very important that you get this right. And there's a lot of money to be made from manipulators, people that freak you out with articles like this. Keep in mind too, like, if you just spend 2 minutes thinking about this, if you've been paying attention to the news, we know that recently Brad Garlinghouse met with Trump along with the head of legal there. Like, they're giving thumbs up. This is a couple weeks ago, and Brad Garlinghouse has great dinner last night with Donald Trump and the head of the chief legal officer. Strong start to 2025. Like, okay, if this happened before the dinner, maybe Trump just goes and rails on them, right, all dinner long, saying that you were with Kamala the whole time. I don't think that's happening, right? I don't think Brad would then post this. I don't think he'd pretend like they were such good friends. I don't think Trump would have invited him in the first place. He wouldn't have wasted his time. He's a busy guy. Like, he's trying to make connections. He's trying to further the crypto industry in the US. I think that he is probably pretty happy, pretty chummy with Ripple, right? And keep in mind too, like, one of Ripple's biggest issues over the last 5 years was this lawsuit with SEC. And this was really spurred on by Gary Gensler. And Trump right away said, we're getting Gary Gensler out. Now, he's affected more than just XRP, but this has been holding back, I think, all of crypto for a little while. The SEC has. So, like, it would just be really odd that Trump would make it so much easier for Ripple and then just spit in their face. I think this is manipulation, but let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Overall, I think the crypto industry is in a great place. At the time of this recording, maybe Bitcoin's even broken up higher. I'm not sure, because I just published an XRP video. This is going up just a little bit later, but Bitcoin's in at 105.4. Like, everything looks extremely bullish. XRP looks beautiful too in terms of the XRP BTC valuation and XRP USDT valuation as well. Be on the lookout for the next week. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility with inauguration, with the strategic Bitcoin reserve as well, with orders, right? What am I trying to think of? Executive orders day one. Like, be ready for anything, because I think there's going to be a lot of volatility. There's going to be a lot of news. There's going to be a lot of manipulation too. A lot of people want your crypto. A lot of people want you to make the wrong decision. Why do you think they were trying to manipulate everyone into selling XRP, into selling Bitcoin on this dip, just to flip it into support and then rally up, right? Like, there's a lot of money to be made here. So make sure that you stay level-headed, make sure you stay focused. That is pretty much the goal of our Patreon. Like, just keep you level-headed during times of volatility. Maybe think about taking profits when we're pumping up. Maybe think about buying the dip when we're falling down. We give our opinions as well. Just earlier this week, I filmed a video talking about what I would do if I had like a pretty decent income, $70,000 a year, and I had some money to put into the crypto market. Like, what would I be buying? How would I go about this if I was risk off, if I was risk on? Joe's going to be doing the same thing with a situation. He's going to look at it a little bit differently. But yeah, if you want to check out these videos, definitely check them out. Check out Joe's channel as well, along with the links to all those crypto exchanges. And yeah, we are looking beautiful. Congrats to everyone that's been invested, and we'll see you in the next one.